create a cool animated paper background texture in After Effects. Import my paper texture image onto the timeline. I'll put a link in the description for this one, but you can use any high quality one that you find online. And I'm just going to press S and scale it up and make sure it's going off the composition by about 50%. So this kind of looks good. P to keyframe the position, click the stopwatch, and I'm going to zoom into the timeline and I'll move to about 12 frames. And I'm just going to shift the position. So I'm just going to drag it down like this. Move another 12 frames. It keeps it easy and mathematical. Move to 1.5 seconds. And then I can just do the same again. Just drag up the position like this. When I've done 3 movements, I'm just going to copy and paste the first keyframe on the 2 seconds. So now it's sort of like a loop. And then I'll highlight all those keyframes, right click and go toggle hold keyframe. And finally, we'll just option click on the stopwatch if you're on a Mac and go loop out bracket, close bracket. And that loops the animation. And just for the final touch, we'll add a curves on it, pull down the exposure on the mids and the shadows just so we get a bit more contrast. And voila! Cool animated paper background texture. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.